Okay, I did get it started. Had to unplug the torque system. I do believe I have some piston slaps, so maybe you can tell me. Give me 1 second, guys.